Good afternoon, class 6, and welcome to English grammar class. Before we move to our today's topic, let's have a quick recap of what we have done earlier. So, dear students, as we are continuing with the chapter called Nouns and its kinds, and you can say types of nouns. We know that there are common nouns, proper nouns, countable nouns, uncountable nouns, concrete nouns, abstract nouns, compound and collective nouns. So earlier we thoroughly studied about the common nouns and proper nouns and then countable and uncountable nouns. And yesterday we talk about and learn about the concrete and abstract nouns. So let's have a quick recap of concrete and abstract noun because today we are going to learn them in detail in order to categorize the countable and uncountable nouns in both concrete and abstract. Seems interesting. Let's see. So, concrete nouns are nouns that you can see, touch, hear, smell, or taste, and they are real people, places, or things. So, our five senses are involved in it. Then, an abstract noun is a thing that you cannot see, touch, or place in a box or somewhere, but you can feel it. For example, the friendship, happiness, fear, anger, peace, etc. So, dear students, today we are going to talk about the countable and uncountable noun in the concrete and abstract. For example, as we know that the countable are those which can be counted and uncountable are those which cannot be counted. So, concrete can be seen. These are the nouns which can be seen. For example, an orange. We can count that this is an orange. This is an orange. But when loads and loads of oranges are grown in an orchard, so we cannot count them, right? So in concrete, the orange is countable, but when there are hundreds and thousands and loads of oranges there, so we cannot count them, so this is uncountable. Similarly, if we say that there are 5 desks in my classroom, and if I say or ask that how many desks are there in our school, so we would say many because it's hard for us to count them, right? We can hold the juice, we can touch it, we can taste it, we can drink the milk, we can eat the sugar, but still we cannot count the grains of them. We cannot count the particles of milk, right? So for juice and milk and so on, we would say much or some. So let's move on towards the abstract, countable and abstract uncountable nouns. Now there is a question that abstract can't be seen, so how can we count it? Because this is an uncountable. Okay, if we talk about the countable things in abstract, so it would be promises, thoughts, ideas. Like if I say that I made a promise with her twice. मैंने 2 दफ़ा उससे वादा किया. अगर मैं कहूँ that I have few ideas or I have, and if we talk about the uncountable abstract nouns, so uncountables are the feelings, of course, that she is very careless. Carelessness, we cannot measure it, that how much careless she is or he is, right? Similarly, if I say that you'll have to have patience in this hard time, so I won't be able to say you'll have to have 2 patience or 3 patience. So it cannot be measured, right? So feelings, emotions cannot be measured. You are responsible. Responsibility cannot be measured, right? So in short, promises, thoughts can be counted, but feelings, emotions cannot be counted. So this is it for today. Hopefully you have had happy learning. See you tomorrow. Take care.